remember this candy growing up in Nigeria? Some call it Baba Dudu, others call it sweet alagbon. That was our own sneakers back then. In this video, I won't just show you how to make it, but I'll also show you how to transform it into a coffee buttermilk candy for you and your kids to enjoy, and even ask for more. Don't miss this opportunity. Without wasting much of your time, please let's dive into it. Step 1. Add 1 cup of sugar in a pan over medium heat. Make sure it is not low heat, but a medium heat. Stir continuously until the sugar melts and turns golden brown. Step 2. If you're making just Baba Dudu, simply add coconut milk. But if you want it richer and tastier, like a toffee buttermilk candy, add both evaporated milk and coconut milk together. Trust me, you will thank me later. Step 3. Please stir continuously because this recipe requires so much stirring. So continue stirring on a medium heat until the bubbles come down. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter and give it a good generous stir so that the butter can mix well with other ingredients. Before we dive into step 4, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and like this video. You know I love you. Thank you. Now stop the stirring and wait for it to cook on a low heat in another 1 to 2 minutes. This will let it thicken nicely on its own. You will know it's ready when it reduces in sizes and it is thick enough to stay on your spatula. Once the mixture is ready, transfer into a bowl. Make sure you line with oven paper to prevent sticking. Please let it cool at room temperature for about 2 hours, then transfer into a flat plate to cut into pieces. But unfortunately, I could not achieve this because our weather isn't cold enough to make it fully solid. That's why you see it sticking to the knife. To fix this, I refrigerate it for another 2 hours and it sets properly, and that's how I got the solid results you are seeing now. Step 6. Rub your palms with a little vegetable oil to prevent the candy from sticking. Take the sliced pieces and roll them in your palms until you achieve your desired shape. Place each on a light nylon wrap, roll gently and twist both ends to seal it tightly. And there you have it, that beautiful candy that puts smiles on our faces growing up. I hope this video is simple enough to inspire you to try this recipe for your family in the comfort of your home. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!